Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and edit your Reddit post, and this is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into this video. So first things first, simply go ahead and click on the top right or your profile icon right over here, and simply go ahead and click on view profile. Once you've done that, on overview, as you can see, there is going to be your post. However, if there's not your post not seen here, you can click on post and it will be right there for you. As you can see, my post says Markiplier just got married. Looking at the person getting married who I used to grow up watching is a different feeling. So for example, if I want to go ahead and edit it, all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on the triple dot icon, click on edit post body. Title is something you can't edit, and you can just go ahead and edit whatever you want and simply go ahead and click on save. That is absolutely it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.